Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a list and import emails in Mailchimp. This is essential for building your email marketing campaigns and managing your subscriber base effectively. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can access all your campaign tools and audience management features. Now look over to the left menu bar and click on Audience. This section is where all your contact management happens, and it's the hub for organizing your subscribers. After clicking Audience, you'll see it again at the top. Click on it once more and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Audience Dashboard. This will give you a complete overview of your current audience and the tools to manage them. On the right side of your screen, locate the Manage Audience option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From here, select Import Contacts. This is the feature that allows you to bring in your existing email lists from various sources into Mailchimp. Next, you'll be asked how you would like to add contacts. You'll see options like import from another service, upload a file, or copy and paste. For this tutorial, we'll use upload a file, which is perfect if you have your contacts saved in a CSV or Excel format on your computer. Click Continue to move forward. Now select the file you want to import from your personal computer, browse through your folders, locate your contact file, and once selected, click Continue. Mailchimp will then process your file and prepare it for the next step. The next screen is where you'll match fields. This means you need to map the columns from your file to Mailchimp's corresponding fields. For example, make sure your email address column aligns with Mailchimp's email field. This ensures your contacts are imported correctly. Once you've matched all the necessary fields, click Continue. You'll now need to select the marketing status from the drop-down field. This determines how your contacts will be categorized in terms of their consent to receive emails. After making your selection, click Continue again to proceed. Finally, review the import process to ensure everything looks accurate. If you want to organize these new contacts, you can use the Tag Imported Contacts feature under the Advanced Settings by clicking the checkbox. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Complete Import and Mailchimp will finalize the import of your email list. And there you have it. You've successfully created a list and imported your emails into Mailchimp, setting yourself up for effective email marketing campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.